Alright, so you always come up with some great business ideas, and by the way, sometimes you will have an idea that could be the next big thing. It could be a phrase, a design, or just something you know people would like. But actually, if you don't do anything, it's just another thought then. You might thinking, I need a warehouse, I need stock, and I need to put down hundreds of dollars right away. But the reality, no, you don't need any of that. You don't need a warehouse, you don't need a stock, and you definitely don't need to put any money at risk. So what if I told you that you could make and sell your goods without ever having to touch the inventory, without having to pay up upfront and deal with returns or have a lot of unstored stock sitting in your garage? You don't have to know a lot about business, you don't even need a storage space, you only need an idea, and I'm going to show you how to make money from that idea faster than you can say sold out. Alright, so the smartest way is you could only think about the creative parts of things like the vision, the design, and the story, and not have to worry about shipping, printing, or inventory. And this is where this incredible tool called INKEDJOY comes in. It's been really helpful for me. It's literally care of everything else, because when you make that retro sunset graphic and want to put it on a vintage style tee, a cozy craniuc, and a sticker, you just upload it to INKEDJOY. You write your description, set your prices, and then upload to your Etsy shop or Shopify store, and then ping a person in Texas buy that crew neck. And this is when the magic happens. Your order does not show up on your to-do list, it goes straight to the INKEDJOY system, which sends the order to a production partner right away. And then the high quality crew neck is taken off the shelf, printed with your retro sunset design, checked for quality, and then folded. You can choose to have it shipped in a clean unbranded mailer, or you could use your own branded packaging if you want. After that, send the order to the customer and give them a tracking number. A few days later, they are loving your design. So how much of your body is involved? Not a thing. What kind of financial risks do you face? None. You did not buy that crew neck until it was already gone. You were in charge of being creative, and INKEDJOY took care of everything else, like making the product, making sure it was good quality, shipping, and planning the logistics. And this changed everything about how people think about starting a business that is creative. You can now test out new ideas without worrying about having too much unsold stock. For example, do you have a niche idea for cat lovers who like 80s synthwave music? Make the shirt, see if it sells, and if their people will buy it, that's great. You have 3 customers who like your cool strange design, and you are making money. And definitely no problem if no one buys. You are not losing anything. You have not wasted space in your home or money on stock that has not sold. You can change your design, try something new, or go on to your next big idea. And do you know what? Most business owners only dream of having this much creative freedom. Your store is not a place where you keep old unsold items. It's a gallery of your ideas that keeps changing and it's keep getting better. You are not just selling one thing with INKEDJOY, you are creating a brand. Imagine that a simple mountain graphic is the main part of your brand. You can now easily make a variety of items such as bags, beans, phone cases, notebooks, and more, all with your own logo on them. You can design a lot of these things in a one afternoon and see exactly how each one look, which will make your brand look professional and put together. You don't build your brand on a lot of stock. It's based on connecting with people who love you what you make, and the platform is like a partner behind the scenes taking care of global manufacturing and logistics, which have been problem for small businesses for decades. But now INKEDJOY lets you be real, quick, and flexible. You can get a product in your store by the end of the week after seeing a popular idea on TikTok instead of waiting months for a trend report. So what's stopping you from making your ideas come true is probably not money anymore. It's not the worry about how much the warehouse will cost. Making the thought into something real is just a first step. And this is the best part. INKEDJOY makes it simple. You don't have to know a lot about technology or business. You only need to have the idea. Now this is a direct link between a late night brainstorming session and a customer using your product. You can put your energy into the things that matter, like making things people love, telling them why should they care, and letting INKEDJOY handle everything else. The machine is already running and is ready for your next big idea. Alright, so now are you ready to make your ideas real? Try INKEDJOY for yourselves and see how easy it to get started selling. INKEDJOY takes care of the hard work so you can focus on what you do best, making things like shirts, mugs, and custom accessories. And the best part, now you can also get up to 40% off their first order, which makes it even easier for you to get started. So don't wait, click the link in the description below and start making things today. And now finally, if you have any questions or curious about this video and regarding to tool, definitely let me know in the comments. And before going, hit that red subscribe button and that like button too. And if you want to learn more about AI tool like this, then definitely go and watch this video now. And share this video with your friends who want to start a print on demand store too.